Shifali, third runner-up.
हाँ राहुल के घर पे।
इसमें बच्चे को 5100 कैश प्राइज मिलता है और दिस ट्रॉफी इज गिवन टू द चैंपियन ऑफ चैंपियन। So
Now, the fourth runner-up of the T2 category is Jay Negi from Dwarka, Sector 10 again. Now, the fourth runner-up of T3 category goes to Muskan Agarwal. Okay, so let's begin with it. So first category is the foundation level 1 category. I request Mrs. Ritu Singhal and Mrs. Sapna Sharma to come on the stage to facilitate the students, please.
लोग आ रहे नीचे, ध्यान रखिए। थोड़ा आगे आइए आप लोग, थोड़ा आगे। लाइट सी आ रही है।
थोड़ा आगे ले, थोड़ा फिर भी आगे ले। आप इनको आगे बढ़ा थोड़ा आगे
थोड़ा आगे देखिए आप।
Next we have Samarth Singh Sachdev from New Rohtak Center for the Merit. Samarth Singh.
सर चलेगा क्या? हैं? बाहर कौन कौन है?
10. Varchasmagar from Dwarka Sector 10. Next is Kshitish Gupta from Kamla Nagar. Kshitish Gupta from Kamla Nagar. Then is Yovraj Singh from Durgapuri Extension. के पास बैठ जा. Next is Vasti Rajput from Dwarka Sector 2.
Done.
Ishant Tiwari from Free Bihar for the participation.
Ishant Tiwari आया ना देखिए आप
Module Championship. So, the Construction Module Championship with a cash prize of rupees 3,100 and scored 100%. Fully correct all the answers. It goes to Moksh Bhartiya from Yojana Vihar Center. Next we have Anaisha Gupta from the Alaknanda Center. Anaisha Gupta. Anaisha Gupta. Prisha and Anaisha, do we have you here? Shanaya Dagar from Alaknanda Center. Shanaya Dagar. Shanaya. Next we have Atharv Pratap Singh from Dwarka Sector 10. Atharv Pratap Singh. Next we have Mehar Chadha from New Rohtak Growth Center. Mehar. Mehar. Next we have J.A. Siddharthan from R.K. Puram Center. J.A. Siddharthan. Next we have Aradhya Jain from Shakti Nagar Center. Aradhya Jain from Shakti Nagar. Then we have Yukti Naram from Shakti Nagar. Next we have Avindra Gupta from South Extension Center. Avindra Gupta. Avindra Gupta. And lastly, for the participation from this category, we have Divan Shankar Gupta from South Extension Center. Divan Shankar Gupta. Divan Shankar Gupta. So now, हमारा जो champion का बच्चा था वो missing था, now he's back. So the champion for the F2 Foundation goes to Devang Goyal from the Preet Vihar Center. Congratulations. So for the champions, we have a cash prize of 1,100 rupees, and for the CI as well. Thank you, Sapna ma'am and Ritu ma'am for the presentation. Thank you. unbelievable. इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने 200 questions करे. It's actually unbelievable. Amazing. So.
बैटरी खाती रहेगी बहुत।
Now the second runner-up goes to Tanishka Jain from Shadra Tizabville. Congratulations, Tanishka. Foundation level 1. So the first runner-up is Raghav Kumar Chandel from Dwarka Sector 10. Congratulations to the students and the parents. So, the champion of the Foundation Level 1 category, it's a very, very big deal. So, the champion is still on the way, but it goes to Apur Kartikeyan from again Dwarka Sector 10. Dwarka Sector 10 has received champion and the first runner-up. Congratulations to the teacher as well.
आया नहीं वही जिसको बुला रहे फर्स्ट वाला अरे वीडियो बन रही है यार
So the merit for the Foundation Level 1 is for Ridhima from Dwarka Sector 10. Ridhima. For participation, we have Aryavir Gupta from Senate Farms. Aryavir Gupta. So we conclude with the first category. Now we are moving on to the second category, which is the Foundation Level 2. F2 category, the 5th runner-up goes to Kyra Patel from Alaknanda Center. Congratulations to the students. Okay, so we have two fourth runners-up in this category. So both of them are Rhythm Jain from Preet Bihar and Arohi from Chetan Bihari Murari Center. Rhythm Jain and Arohi. Congratulations.
मैम इधर देखिए ना आप। मेरा ट्रॉफी थोड़ा इधर करो। नहीं आ रहा।
So the third runner-up from the F2 category goes to Ashvika Sharma from Dwarka Sector 10. Congratulations, Ashvika. Ashvika Sharma.
मैं तो नहीं आ रहा ना। आज इधर देखिए आप। तब उधर देखो। आप इधर देखिए।
Okay, so foundation level 2 के बच्चों ने I think ज़्यादा ही अच्छी competition में एकदम करा है क्योंकि we have 3 second runners up in this category. So all three of them are Lavanya Jain from Chetan Bihari Murari Center, Shanaya from Chetan Bihari Murari Center, and Nityam Jain from Yojana Bihar. All of these three students have bagged the second runner-up position.
सर इधर देखिए आप सर।
Okay, so the first runner-up from the F2 category is Shivanshi Sharma from Durgapuri Extension. Congratulations. So the champion of the FL2 category is Devang Goyal from Preet Vihar. He's not here though, but congratulations.
DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows it.
साइड से साइड से साइड।
Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows it. It's a champion. Dini a champion, Monty a champion, Marlon a champion, Bunty a champion, Pollard is a champion, Lauren is a champion, Dale is a champion. Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly a champion, 958 both a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows it. Bravo a champion, 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 champion.
Now moving on to the merit awards. So first we have Vihan Jain from New Rohtak Road. Vihan Jain from New Rohtak Road.
वो बातें कब कर मॉर्निंग ऑफ ये भी कर दियो
The second is Yuval Rohini sector for the merit. Yuval from Rohini sector 11 to the merit position.
इसीलिए पहचान नहीं आ रही बेटा इधर देखो
Next we have Preetham Mana from New Rohtak Road for the merit position. Preetham. Then we have Nikunj Goyal from the New Rohtak Road Center for the merit position.
प्रीतम सामने देखो
Next we have Sobhagya Dixit from Dwarka sector 10 for the merit position. किसी पेरेंट की गाड़ी कार नंबर 9927 होंडा अमीज, कार नंबर 9927 होंडा अमीज, वो गलत पार्क हुई भी है। Sobhagya Dixit. Next we have Amira Sharma from North Pitapura for the merit position. So for all the people who are wondering कि merit position होती क्या है, so basically merit position top 25% of the students में से है आप। Next we have Ashita Kumar Sainik Farm for the merit position. Ashita Kumar from Sainik Farm Center for the merit position. So now we are moving on to the participants for the FL2 category. So can we have please कोई कैमरे के सामने ना आए? You will get all the photos and videos. आप लोगों के साथ लिंक शेयर हो जाएगा क्योंकि हम लोग आप बीच में आएंगे तो आपके साथ अच्छी फोटोज नहीं आ पाएंगी. So please do not come between the camera and the videographer as well. Next we have Dakshit Chauhan from Dwarka sector 10 for the participation. Dakshit Chauhan. Next we have Ariket Bhatt from Jail Road. Ariket Bhatt. Ariket Bhatt. Next we have Advika Madu from Dwarka sector 10. Advika. Next we have Jitika Bhatia from Preet Vihar for the participation. Jitika Bhatia. Next we have Sarbani Mohanty from Preet Vihar. Sarbani. Next we have Abhimanyu Kharwar from Vishali Colony. Abhimanyu for the participation. ओके सारे बच्चों से एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है, जब आपका नाम लिया जाए तो प्लीज जस्ट रेज योर हैंड वंस सो दैट वी नो दैट यू आर प्रेजेंट हियर। जैसे ही आपका नाम लिया जाए बच्चे का तो प्लीज रेज योर हैंड। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, next we have Pearl Chuk from Shakti Nagar. Pearl Chuk. Next we have Yuni Chopra from Yojana Bihar. Yuni Chopra from Yojana Bihar. Yuni Chopra from Yojana Bihar. Next we have Tejal from Shakti Nagar. Tejal. Next we have Atharv Mishra from Yamuna Bihar B block. Atharv Mishra for the participation. Next we have Saisha Gaba from Alaknanda Center. Saisha Gaba. Please students, जब आपकी बारी है, the fourth runner-up was led to goes to Lavika Mehta again from Shadra Nizamul Center. Lavika Mehta.
हम साइकिल मैं भी उधर से आ
में नहीं आ रहा ना, उधर से आओ।
Goyal from Shalimar Bagh. Third runner-up is Rayansh Goyal from Shalimar Bagh. Congratulations. Second runner-up was led to goes to Arav from Kishangarh Mehroli Center. Arav from Kishangarh. Third runner-up from FSB goes to Priyanshi from Preet Vihar Center.
भैया आएगा बस इनके पास 10-15 मिनट ध्यान से
Pratyaksh. So, the first runner-up from the FA3 category goes to Vartika from Durgapuri Extension. Congratulations.
सर अब इसमें कैटेगरी में आएगा
So now for the champion for this category, it goes to Darsh Bari from Alaknanda Center. Congratulations.
DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows it, Bravo.
So Darsh is in US,
Champion,
but congratulations to everyone. merit category for FL3. ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ के सब बच्चे आ जाइए प्लीज.
कब समझा दे यार, मैं 10 बार बोल चुका हूं यार।
क्या हुआ बेटा? पापा
बोल यार।
अच्छा बोल, मैं बोल दूंगी जाके.
क्या बार बोल रही है? तो इधर बोल दे। ये फोन में लगा। प्लीज कवर हो रहा है, बेटा सेंटर में आओ। प्लीज कवर हो रहा है ना।
Moving on to the merit category. The first one is Sidra Zanab from Alaknanda Center. Sidra Zanab. Next we have
बेटा इधर देखो आप।
Next we have Grisha from Rohini Sector 11. Grisha from Rohini Sector 11. Parents, please तालियां नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. Even they are among the top 25 after the fifth runner-up. Next we have Arnav Panwar from Dwarka Sector 10. Arnav Panwar from Dwarka Sector 10.
मैम इधर देखिए आप।
And lastly for the merit we have Vidansh Bhalla from Dwarka Sector 10. Vidansh Bhalla. Moving on to, I request all the parents to be seated, please. Next, we have Shantriti Chauhan from Dwarka Sector 10. Shantriti Chauhan. Next, we have Vansh Kapoor from Shakti Nagar. Vansh Kapoor.
सेंटर पे आती है ना स्कूल वाले सिद्धार्थ का देखो बस निकाल.
Next, we have Siddharth from Shadra. Siddharth from Shadra.
सिद्धार्थ
Next is Eva Sehajpal from Alaknanda Center. Eva Sehajpal from Alaknanda Center. Next is Mishika Singh from Dwarka Sector 10. Mishika Singh from Dwarka Sector 10. Next we have Agrim Singh from Alaknanda Center. Agrim Singh. Next we have Samarth Kumar from Dwarka Sector 10. Samarth Kumar from Dwarka Sector 10. Next we have Midhansh Khurana from New Rohtak Road Center for the participation. Midhansh Khurana. Next is Vivan Sharma from New Rohtak Road. Vivan Sharma from New Rohtak Road.
इधर देख लीजिए आप एक बार। बेटा इधर इधर आ जाओ, कैमरे के आगे नहीं। अरे मैम आप कैमरे पे देखिए।
Next we have Vivan Kuzbas from Alaknanda Center. Vivan Kuzbas from Alaknanda Center. And lastly for the participation for FL3 we have Dhruv from Rohini Sector 11. Dhruv from Rohini Sector 11. Congratulations to all the participants. Now we are moving on to the next category, which is the Z1, Z category. So the fifth runner-up for Z1 is Disha Chaudhary from Vasant Kunj Center. Disha Chaudhary from Vasant Kunj Center. Congratulations.
इधर से बंद कर देना रास्ता है यार, अब मैम इधर से मत गई ना, रास्ता बंद कर दो, कैमरा 10 बार जला चुके हैं। मैम
I am again repeating, I request the students to raise their hands when their name is called out. Fourth runner-up for the Z1 goes to Kopal Gupta from Rana Pratap Bagh. Congratulations. Third runner-up for Z1 goes to Arohi from New Rohtak Road Center. Congratulations, Arohi.
मैम उधर चले जाइए। मैम इधर नहीं, उधर जाना।
Second runner-up for Z1. The second runner-up goes to Ayan Jain from Shalimar Bagh Center. Ayan Jain.
ये रास्ता नहीं है मैम, दिख रहा है ये रास्ता नहीं है, वहाँ से
Now, there are two first runners-up in Z1 category. So the two of them are Gargi Maletha from Burari Center and Keshav Jha from RK Puram. Congratulations to Gargi and Keshav. Now, for the champion of Z1, so the champion position is backed by Inayat Kalra from Dwarka Sector 10. Congratulations.
DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody now say Bravo, a champion, 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 champion. Everybody now say Skate is a champion, Beanie a champion, Bounty
All of you, please come for a group photograph.
is a champion, Pollard is a champion, Lara is a champion, Zale is a champion. Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Selena a champion, Wendy a champion.
मैम आप उधर ही जाते हैं, सेंटर में आइए ना, अरे उधर ही जा रहे हैं, थोड़ा सेंटर में आ जाओ, थोड़ा इधर हो जाओ आप लोग, थोड़ा इधर आइए, सेंटर में आइए, ठीक है इधर देखिए आप, ठीक है जी।
Moving on to the merit for Z category. So the first is moving on to the participation for Z1. First we have Shivai Namodia from Shadra Nizamwin Center. Shivai Namodia. Next, for the participation, we have Manvi Singhal from Shadra Center. Manvi Singhal. Manvi Singhal.
इधर देखिए आप लोग, इधर देखिए
We
पहले,
have Sharvi Verma from Kishangarh Mehroli Center. Sharvi Verma for the participation. Next, we have Pavishka Shri from Unitka Center. Pavishka Shri from Unika Center.
रोमा इधर
And lastly, the participation is for Eva Kumar from Ashram Harinagar Center. Eva Kumar from Ashram Harinagar Center.
मैम अभी आ रहे हैं, अभी नहीं है स्टार्ट। ये तो बेसिक में ना अभी स्टार्ट है, बेसिक का 11 बजे का तो
Everybody knows say bravo, a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows Chris King.
थैंक यू बहुत बढ़िया फोटो आ गया
So attention everyone. So now we have the foundation module champion. जो भी अभी तक हमने कैटेगरीज कवर करी है, which is the foundation category Z, A, B, C, उन सब में से जो सबसे टॉप पे है, that is the foundation module champion, and the score of this student was 100%. That was 200K, 200 questions within a span of 8 minutes. उसने सारे सही करे हैं, and that's really applaudable. Congratulations. So for this, I'd like to invite Mr. Vishesh and a mother. So basically, they are our chief guest, Mr. Ramesh Garg, who is from BJP, and he's the East Delhi councillor. He could not be here with us because of his busy schedule and the elections. But I request Mr. Vishesh sir and his mother to felicitate.
A champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bunty is a champion, Polan is a champion, Lara is a champion, Gail is a champion. Don't forget
Okay,
Michael
so
Jordan, Obama, a
the foundation module champion goes to Aniket Sharma from Tilak Nagar Center. Very, very, very congratulations. And we have a cash prize of 3,100 rupees for the student and the CI as well. Congratulations.
Everybody know Chris King is a champion. Champion, we are real champion. Champion, we are real champion. Champion, we are real champion. Don't vex if your name not called. We have beat everybody some ball. We love soca and dancehall. We love cricket and football. Come on, dance in a man in the ball. Champion, champion. Everybody see and every other. Champion, champion. Everybody see and every other. Champion, a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bunty is a champion, Polan is a champion, Lara is a champion, Gail is a champion. Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Queen a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly a champion, 958, Bolt a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say bravo a champion.
थैंक यू कोई बात नहीं, कट कर दे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कट कर दे।
Can we please have some claps for the chief guest? A big round of applause for them, please. Thank you for coming.
आप बोलो तो साइड
and they have done 100 plus admissions in their center in the calendar year 2023. Firstly, we have Jayashree Narsimhan ma'am from Alaknanda Center. Many congratulations, ma'am. Next we have Mrs. Priyanka Singh ma'am from Kishangarh Mehroli Center, who gets a cash reward of rupees 10,000 for 100 plus admissions in her center in calendar year 2023. Congratulations, ma'am.
मैम क्लैप कीजिए, एक दूसरे को मोटिवेट करो। मैं इसलिए मोटिवेशन कर रहा हूँ, हम भी मोटिवेट होंगे।
Next, we have Mr. Gaurav Garg from the Shaktinagar Center. Again, a cash reward of rupees 10,000 for 100 plus admissions in his center in calendar year 2023. And along with that, a cash reward of 2,100 for third highest student participation in SLC 2024. Many congratulations. Next, we have Mrs. Sapna Sharma ma'am, who runs the Dwarka Sector 10 Center for very well performance in the calendar year 2023 and a cash reward of rupees 5,100 for highest number of participations in SLC 2024. Congratulations, Sapna ma'am. Next, we have Mr. Rajiv Garg from New Rohtak Growth Center, a cash reward of rupees 3,100 for second highest students participation in SLC 2024. Next we have Mr. Supreet Kapoor and Mrs. Shubhra Kapoor from the Preet Vihar Center, Shubhra Kapoor, for well performance in the calendar year 2023. Next we have Mrs. Dipali Mehta from Chandra Development Center, an appreciation of certificate for 100% students participation in SLC 2024. Next we have Mrs. Aarti Rai from the Yamuna Vihar Center.
मैम अगली बार बच्चों में 200 पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे.
Aarti Rai ma'am. Next we have Mrs. Banita Sharma from Chetan Vihari Gurari Center. Next we have Mrs. Bindu Panda and Mrs. Preeti Hamsagar from Hosta Center and Vasantun Center. Then we have Mrs. Gandhi Mati from Munirka Center and Vasantun Sector 6. All the franchisees who already have been felicitated can go at the backstage for lunch, please. Next we have Mrs. Deepika Wadhwa ma'am from the North Pitapura Center.
इधर देखिए आप.
Mrs. Deepika Wadhwa.
थोड़ा आगे आइए. राइट है कम.
Next we have Mrs. Jyoti Grover from Jail Road Center. Next we have Mrs. Kalpana Sharma ma'am from Burari Center. Mrs. Kalpana Sharma ma'am. Next we have Dr. Kavita ma'am from Banmoli Dwarka Sector 28. Next we have Mrs. Lalita Kothari from Badarpur Center. Then we have Mrs. Malar Vidhi from Harinagar Center. Next we have Mrs. Monia Punyani from Rohini Sector 11. Next we have Mrs. Mridu Sood from Ashram Harinagar Center. Next we have Mr. Naveen Kohli from Tilak Nagar Center. Mr. Naveen Kohli.
सर थोड़ा सा आगे आइए।
Next we have Mrs. Neelam Jain ma'am from Pandav Nagar Center. Neelam ma'am. Then we have Mrs. Neeraj Sharma ma'am from Vishali Colony Extension Center. Neeraj ma'am.
बेटा इधर हटो।
Next we have Mrs. Nidhi Agarwal ma'am from South Extension Center. Nidhi ma'am. Next we have Mrs. Prerna Jain from Senate Farm Center. Next we have Mrs. Ritu Singhal ma'am from Shalimar Bagh Center. Ritu ma'am. Next we have Mrs. Ruchi Panwar from Durgapuri Extension Center. Ruchi ma'am.
इधर देखिए ना।
Next we have Mr. Sanjeev Kumar from Uttam Nagar Center. Sanjeev Kumar. Next we have Mrs. Seema Gupta from Faridabad Border Center. Seema ma'am. Next we have Mrs. Seema Kaul ma'am from Saket Center. Mrs. Seema Kaul. Next we have Mrs. Shahala Froze from Shaheen Bagh Center. Shahala ma'am. Next we have Mrs. Sipriya ma'am from Yojana Bihar Center. Mrs. Shri Priya from Yojana Bihar Center. Next we have Mrs. Surya Kala ma'am from Arkipuram Center. Then we have Mrs. Sunita Gupta from Kamla Nagar Center. Sunita ma'am.
मेरे ख्याल से बाहर जाती है लेफ्ट है। हाँ जाओ फिर मैं वहीं मिलूंगी। हाँ
And lastly, we have Miss Vanshika Gupta ma'am from Ambedkar Nagar Center. Vanshika ma'am.
हेलो अभी नहीं कर पाऊंगा मैं शाम को रिसीव कर लूँगा शाम को
Next, we have Miss Vartika from New Rohtak Road Center. She gets a trophy of excellence for winning in CI Assessment Level 2, which was held in January 2024. Next, we have Miss Dia from Dwarka Sector 28, getting a trophy of excellence for winning in CI Assessment Level 3. Next, we have Mrs. Neeraj Sharma from Vishali Colony Center for winning in CI Assessment Level 4. Next, we have Miss Kashish from New Rohtak Road for getting a trophy of excellence for winning in CI Assessment Level 6. Next, we have Miss Kunjan from New Rohtak Road for her well performance in CI Assessment Level 7. Next, we have Ms. Jyoti Mahato from Alaknanda Center getting a certificate of appreciation for her well performance in CI Assessment Level 7. Next, we have Mrs. Jyoti Grover from Jail Road Center getting a certificate of appreciation for her well performance in CI Assessment Level 8. Next, we have Mrs. Sapna Sharma from Dwarka Sector 10 getting a certificate of appreciation for her well performance in CI Assessment Grand Level. Next, we have Mrs. B. Gandhi Maki from Basantpur Center getting a certificate of appreciation for her well performance in CI Assessment Grand Level. Lastly, we have Mrs. Neeru Jain from Pritviha Center getting a certificate of appreciation for her well performance in CI Assessment Grand Level. Congratulations to all the CIs.
Light.
I'd like to invite Mrs. Kanchan and Mrs. Shripriya ma'am on the stage to felicitate the students. center. Second runner-up of the 8th level goes to Akshara Bakshi from Preet Vihar Center. Congratulations. Now, for the first runners-up, we have two people. First is Piyana Sharma from Alaknanda Center, and the second is Sanvi Gurunyal from Munirka Center. Congratulations to both of you. Group photograph. Beginning with the merits for the 8th level. Firstly, we have Anshul Sharma from Uttam Nagar Center. Anshul Sharma for the merit. Next, we have Kashish Garg from New Rohtak Road Center for the merit. Kashish Garg. Lastly, we have Anish Mandal from Tilak Nagar Center for the merit. Anish Mandal. Next, we have the participations for the 8th level. First is Devansh from Alaknanda Center for the participation. Devansh. Then we have Kaina Puri from Alaknanda Center. And lastly, we have Darpan from Kamla Nagar. Congratulations. Now, the champion for the Z2 category goes to Ayan Churasia again from Dwarka Sector 10. Congratulations.
DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo. Everybody knows say Bravo, champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows this kid is a champion. Beanie a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bunty is a champion, Follow is a champion, Lara is a champion, Jail is a champion. Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly a champion, 958 Paul a champion.
Now, moving on to the merit for the Z Ahalya Jain. Next we have Kayan Goyal from Basantpur Sector 6. Kayan Goyal from Basantpur Sector 6.
साकिर सो गया क्या? क्या हो गया भाई?
Next we have Divyansh Bhardwaj from Development Center. Kayan Goyal.
कैमरा चल रहा है मैम, वहाँ पे फोटो नहीं चल रही है।
Next we have Sanidhya Agarwal from Dwarka Sector 10 for the merit position. Sanidhya Agarwal from Dwarka Sector 10.
अबे सीट छोड़ना है, सुनता नहीं है कोई यार। मैम कैमरा चल रहा है, प्लस मार्क यहाँ से मत चलिए, वहाँ पे भी रास्ता है।
And lastly, merit from Z2 goes to Shivansh Malkoti from Burari Center. Shivansh Malkoti from Burari Center.
मैम
Moving on to the participants of Z2. First we have Praneet Khandelwal from Shadra Center. Praneet Khandelwal. Next we have Tanishka Singhal from Shadra Development Center. Participation Tanishka Singhal.
सर एक सेकंड। थैंक यू। मेरा नाम बताओ।
Next we have Bhuvi Gupta from Shadra Development Center. Bhuvi Gupta. Next we have Hetal Kanwal from Kishangarh Mehrauli Center. Hetal Kanwal. Next we have Audvik Gaur from Shadra Center. Audvik Gaur, Shadra Development Center. Next we have Palvit Mamodia from Shadra Development Center. Palvit Mamodia. Next we have Divyansh Bhardwaj from Shadra Development Center. Divyansh Bhardwaj. Audvik Gaur.
फ्रेम में मैं तो नहीं आ रहा, देखता नहीं हूँ, बोल जाएगा।
Divyansh Bhardwaj. Next we have Sai Raksha from Basantpur Sector 6. Sai Raksha from Basantpur. Next is Gurekam Singh from Munirka Center. Gurekam Singh from Munirka Center. Sai Raksha and Gurekam Singh. Kaushik. Next is Avyan Govil from Free Bihar Center for the participation. Avyan Govil. And And lastly, the participation is for Agya Jain from Shaktinagar Center. Agya Jain from Shaktinagar Center.
DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo. Beanie a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bunty is a champion, Pollard is a champion, Lara is a champion, Gail is a champion. Don't forget, Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly a champion.
चली जाऊँ आज की भी
The fourth runner-up for Z3 category goes to Praneel Agarwal from Kishangarh Mehroli Center. Praneel Agarwal. The third, Ahana Jain from Pandavnagar.
मैम इधर देख लो।
Second runner-up from Z3 goes to Advik Sharma from Buradi Center. So the first runner-up goes to firstly Vishal Singh from Artipuram Center and Darsh Kumar from New Rohtak Road Center. Parents, please, the clapping should not stop. Now the champion for Z3 goes to Pahal Jamini from New Rohtak Road Center. Pahal Jamini from New Rohtak Road Center. Congratulations, Pahal.
Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say Bravo a champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows Chris Gayle is a champion. Beanie a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bunty is a champion, Pollard is a champion, Lara is a
Group photograph.
Gayle is a champion. Don't forget, Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly a champion, 958.
सेकंड आप लोग पहले इधर देखिए।
Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say Bravo a champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows Chris Gayle is a champion. Champion, we are the champion. Champion, we are the champion. Champion, we are the champion. Go back to the name of God. We are beating them to bat some ball. We love soca.
Now,
We love
for the
cricket
merit
and football.
of Z3 category, so the merit goes to Sanvi Singh from Munirka Center. Sanvi Singh from Munirka Center.
Champion,
Sanvi Singh.
every champion, champion, champion. Every treaty and every
Starting with the A category, fifth runner. For all the parents, we have also established a media wall outside, so if you want to get a photo click, you can also click it there. Fifth runner for A category goes to Arshika Bhargava from Dwarka Sector 10.
मैं जाऊँ
Fourth runner-up goes to Vibhuj Joshi from North Pitampura. Third runner-up for the A category goes to Tejas Chaurasia, Kishangarh, Mehroli. Parents, please a big round of applause. Second runner-up for the A category goes to Mayank Kumar Jha from Durgapuri Extension Center. Mayank Kumar Jha.
इसका सेल निकाल के बैटरी होगी बोल इसकी बैटरी निकाल के इस वाले बैग में आगे वाले में से आगे वाले में
The first runner-up for A category goes to Shreya Moga from Dwarka Sector 10.
सर देखिए सर आप
You can go for the group photo. So the merit prize for A category.
रेडी
Merit for A1 category. Merit goes to Amira from North Pitampura.
सुना वायर के दे
Next, next Ariana Vadva from Tilak Nagar.
मैन कैमरा चल रहा है हाँ जी इधर देखिए आप सब थोड़ा फेस नहीं आ रहा है हाँ बस ठीक है डन
Next, Riddhi from Uttam Nagar.
आप फेस नहीं आ रहा।
Next, Sakshi Dagar from Vasant Kunj.
थोड़ा सा आ जाएगी मैम।
Next, Ivan from Malviya Nagar. Next, Aira from Ashram Harinagar. Next, Abhiyansh Das from Malviya Nagar.
उधर देखिए मैम।
अर्शिका अपना सर्टिफिकेट
उधर से आ जाएंगे ना, वहाँ भी रास्ता है, यहाँ पे भी रास्ता है। इधर से मरीज से पहले बंद करो, यहाँ से नहीं आ पा रहा।
बेटा अभी उसको दूसरे में आएगा। अभी A1 को अभी A2 आया है ना, अब आपका नाम आया।
Fourth runner-up goes to Tarasha Agarwal from Yuvanna Bihar.
नाम आप आएगा A2 में आएगा।
अजमिल थोड़ा बहुत उधर भी बना लिया कर।
We have 3 fourth runner-ups. Fourth runner-up also goes to Dikshita Garg from Preet Bihar and Kanak Goyal from Preet Bihar. Third runner-up goes to Adya Agarwal from Rana Pratap Bagh. Second runner-up goes to Ansh from Rohini Sector 11.
बेटा इधर
A2 category first runner-up goes to Garv Bhardwaj from Chetan Bihari Buradi Center. Parents, तालियां नहीं रुकनी चाहिए, बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत की है.
देखिए आप
Now, the champion for the A2 category goes to Ganesh from Rohini Sector 11.
जल्दी आना, जल्दी आ जल्दी। अरे डाउन हो गया जल्दी लो। सेल निकाल के ला फटाफट इसको। फुल पावर।
DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows that Bravo a champion, champion, champion. Angela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly a champion, 958, Paul a champion. Champion, champion, champion.
Starting with the merit for A2 category.
Everybody knows it, Bravo a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows this game is a champion.
आप आगे
Next, Ridul Salo from Kishangarh Mehroli Center. Ridul.
ऐसे दिन में चला नहीं जाएगा इतना कोई नहीं कोई ये सेट
Next, Darsh from North Pitampura. Next, Nishant Raj from New Rohtak Road. Next, Laksh Sansalwan from Kishangarh Mehroli Center. Next, Raghav Gupta from Chandra Tezab Mill.
रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन रख भाई, जो आ रहे हैं सब दिखना चाहिए, तो पता।
Next, Bhavika Chhabra from Tilak Nagar.
अरे मैं तो नहीं आ रहा ना भाई।
Next, Sri Hans Thiller from Alaknanda Center. Next, Arushi Verma from Faridabad border. Next, Ayan Saluja from Rohini Sector 11. Last merit goes to Medashri from Dwarka Sector 10. Neeraj ma'am and Aarti ma'am, thank you so much.
हो गई मैम।
अरे फ्रेम में देख ले, मैं आ तो नहीं रहा हूँ।
I request Neelam ma'am and Sunita ma'am to please come on stage and give the students the trophy. Shakti Nagar. Next, Ayan Bhardwaj from Dwarka Sector 10.
सर नहीं है। ऋतिक सर।
Next, Sector 10. Kaira Goyal, Dwarka Sector 10. Next, Pranav Mehta, Kamla Nagar.
थोड़ा आगे आइए।
Next, Lasika from Rohini Sector 11. Next, Akriti Kumari, Kishangarh, Mehroli Center. Akriti Kumari. Next, Anvi Badoria from Alaknanda. Next, Rida Hassan from Shaheen Bagh. Next, Ayan Kothal from Malviya Nagar. Next, Sara from Rohini Sector 11.
इधर देखिए आप, इधर मैम।
Next, Ahan Yadav from Shakti Nagar. Next, Trishika from Malviya Nagar. Next, Siona from Rohini Sector 11.
इधर देखिए आप।
Shreya Sinha from New Rohtak Road. Shivansh Tiwari from Dwarka Sector 10. Ira from Rohini Sector 11. Ira from Rohini Sector 11. Avreen Kumar from Kishangarh Mehroli Center. Anvi Behel from Tilak Nagar.
इधर देखिए आप। आप थोड़ा बाहर के सीट में आना।
Shaurya Kalda from Dwarka Sector 10.
इधर
आगे आइए।
Ayan from North Pitampura. Akshi Goyal, Preet Vihar Center. पार्थ मेहता, कमला नगर. रोहान कालरा, साउथ एक्सटेंशन.
इधर इधर
दिव्याना सिंह चौधरी, अलकनंदा. सिया गुप्ता, राणा प्रताप बाग. नित्या मित्तल, न्यू रोहतक रोड. सिद्धार्थ शर्मा, द्वारका सेक्टर 10. श्रीनिका अग्रवाल, साउथ एक्सटेंशन. अद्विका राव, सैनिक फार्म. धनंजय, प्रीत विहार सेंटर. आरव फ्रॉम शक्ति नगर.
बेटा इधर देखो.
वरद ध्यानी फ्रॉम नॉर्थ पीतमपुरा. आशिया फ्रॉम मालविया नगर. आयान अग्रवाल, न्यू रोहतक रोड. गनीत कौर, हरिनगर. कविष्का शाहदरा, तेजाब मिल सेंटर. कविशा
कैमरा किधर लगा रहा है?
ईशानवी फ्रॉम मालविया नगर.
देखिए आप लोग.
पवनी खंडेलवाल, शाहदरा तेजाब मिल सेंटर.
मेडिसिन चल ले. इधर देखिए आप लोग इधर देख लीजिए पहले.
मिन्नती आहूजा, शक्तिनगर सेंटर. अनुषा फ्रॉम साउथ एक्सटेंशन सेंटर.
बैटरी कम कर लियो.
श्रीहंस साई, वसंतकुंज सेक्टर 6. मोहम्मद अब्दुल्ला शाहीन बाग सेंटर।
हाय मम्मा, यहाँ से जाने देंगे नहीं?
गीतिका अग्रवाल बसंतपुर सेक्टर 6।
आपने की बुक्स तो नहीं थी ना?
मिश्का कौशिक अलकनंदा सेंटर।
मैम के लिए सस्पेंस है।
थोड़ा सा आगे आइए।
Starting with the A3 category now. A3 category, 5th runner-up goes to Simone Bansal, North Pitampura.
सबसे लास्ट मैच।
तो देखिए आप सब, तो देखिए
Fourth runner-up goes to Rosaline from Pandav Nagar.
सेंटर में आइए आप।
Parents, please give a big round of applause. बहुत मेहनत करी है बच्चों ने।
हम बैठ गए
आगे बुला ले
Next, third runner-up goes to Hitansh from Rohini sector 11.
थोड़ा सा इधर आइए, आगे आइए। इधर देखिए आप लोग।
Third runner-up goes to Hitansh from Rohini sector 11. Second runner-up goes to Anushka Goswami from Chetan Bihari Burari Center.
आ रहा हूँ मैं।
First runner-up goes to R.N. Goyal from Rohini sector 11.